Abhijita from Emmanuel College of Education. I am going to deal with the paper for the first year MEd Basics in Educational Research. Unit 1 for this paper is Nature and Purpose of Educational Research. You all heard about research. Yes, what is research? Research is an essential and powerful tool in leading man towards progress. Research is an essential and powerful tool in leading man towards progress. You all heard the word research, isn't it? It is a combination of two words, re and search. It is a combination of two words, re and search. It means to search again, research again. Okay, research again. So it means a systematic investigation or activity to gain new knowledge of the already existing facts. It is a systematic investigation or activity to gain knowledge of the already existing facts. We search or find out a research for a result for a particular problems. Okay, this is about research, and also it's an intellectual activity. It is responsible for correcting present mistakes, removing existing misconception, and adding new learning. And also it's considered as the application of scientific method in solving the problems. Today it's a day of this corona, and we heard many thing about this virus, and they are searching researching for this cause infection, etc. So you all know what is meant by research. By finding out the problems only we can make the solution. Okay, this is all about research. Then definitions of research. According to P.M. Hook, research is an honest and exhaustive, intelligent searching for facts and their meanings or implications with reference to a given problem. The product or finding of a given piece of research should be an authentic, verifiable combination to knowledge the field studied. Once again, I repeat this definition. According to P.M. Hook, research is an honest, exhaustive, intelligent searching for facts and their meanings or implications with reference to a given problem. The product or finding of a given piece of research should be an authentic, verifiable contribution to knowledge in the field of study. This is the definition of Hook. Then another one, Redman and Morris said that it's a simple one. Research is a systematic effort to gain knowledge. Research is a systematic effort to gain knowledge. There are some objectives or aim of this research: to discover answer to question through the application of scientific procedure. We want to find out some answers for some questions through this scientific procedure. The main objectives of this research is to answer the questions based on the scientific procedure. Okay. Then to find out the truth which is hidden and cannot be discovered. Some truth cannot be discovered, so for that we want to find the hidden truth and to be discovered. It's also the objectives of this research. Then next is to gain familiarity with new phenomena. If we go on finding something new, we also be familiar with that some new products. Okay. Then to portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual or situation. We should know characteristics of a particular person or particular individual. We want to go on to collect some materials regarding that. So this is also the objectives of this research. Okay. Then to determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else. We want the objectives of this research is to find the frequency of something occurs or associated with something. Okay, this is all about the objectives of this research. Then characteristics of this research. It's directed towards the solution of a problem. You all know research is to find out the solution for a problem. Then it emphasizes the development of generalization principles or theories. It is mostly based upon the development of generalization principles and theories. Then it's based upon observable experience or empirical evidence. The research, the main characteristics of this research is to, if we find out some experiences or some evidence only, we can make it as a research. Okay. Then it demands accurate observation and description. We should have the proper observation as well as we should give description about a particular topic. Then it involves gathering data from primary or first-hand sources. There are two sources are there, primary sources or secondary sources. Primary sources means it is data collecting from the victim. Secondary sources means it's from the viewers. Okay. So it involves gathering data from primary sources. It involves the quest for answers to unsoluted problem. It's nothing but a answer for a problematic questions. Okay. Then it is characteristics by patient and unhurried activity. If we do a research, we should have the patience as well as unhurried activity. We don't hurry to finish the research. We should be patient. It is carefully recorded and collected. The research should be carefully recorded and collected. Then only we get the correct solution of a particular problem. Then sometimes it requires courage also. If we all saw in the cinemas and all, if we want to find some news and all, collect news, there is a lot of problems we want to face. So for that we require some courageous also. This is all about the research, that is general about this research. We are going to deal with educational research. Educational research, there is one definition. According to M.W. Travers, educational research is that activity which is directed towards the development of science and behavior in educational situation. The ultimate aim of such a science is to provide knowledge which will permit the education to achieve the goal by the most effective method. This is all about educational research. Next is the objectives of educational research. The objectives of educational research is to search about the truth in the educational system. Okay, to search about the truth. Then to revise the present principles. There are some rules and regulations. We can research and revise the present principles. To verify the national truth, principles and generalization. Then to verify hypotheses. To establish the relationship between various variables. Then to find the solution for the problem. To predict the behavior, event and outcomes. These are all the objectives of this educational research. There are the scope of educational research is also there. The basic areas of this educational research are as follows. They are nothing but the teachers, students, curriculum, educational institution, administration, etc. The research is mostly based upon these teachers, students, curriculum, educational system, administration, etc. Okay. Next, need for educational research. We can simply say that to find out the solution in the educational aspect. This is the main need for this educational research. It is nothing but to find out the solution in the educational aspect. It is nothing but philosophy, history, in the field of philosophy, history, economics, psychology, sociology, and also the teaching learning materials, teaching methods, examination systems, etc. And also we can develop new strategies, techniques, etc. By this we can develop to find out the problems and can we develop new strategies and techniques. Okay, this is all about research. Okay, next class we are going to deal with the type of research. Thank you.